Temperatures continue to rise into your Sunday. We had a high of 48 degrees yesterday. Today, so far, our high is 59 degrees. In fact, that's where temperatures stand right now in Lincoln. 54 right now in Beatrice, 56 degrees in Wahoo, 56 in Omaha, 58 in Columbus, 60 degrees in Grand Island. We actually had 61, the high out towards Grand Island earlier this afternoon. Here's a live look over Honda of Lincoln. Sun is starting to go below the horizon. Sunset is after the 6 o'clock hour today. Lots of sunshine. No clouds in sight, but there are some clouds off to the west. Not near us. By west, I do not mean Tri-Cities. I mean even west of the state of Nebraska. Right now, these clouds are over the Intermountain West, moving through Wyoming right now, approaching Casper, Rapid City. Eventually, later on tonight, these clouds will be arriving here in the capital city. Let's pick up Stormcast at 6 o'clock. We'll move it into the overnight hours, and you'll see some of the clouds spilling into Nebraska. This is Stormcast 2 a.m. tonight. Still, at this particular point in time, Lincoln is mostly clear. I think a good chunk of the overnight hours will be mostly clear. But by the time many of us are waking up tomorrow morning, heading out for our morning commute, I think we will have to contend with some of these clouds. Likely will be more clouds than sun for some, looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies, at least for the morning hours. By the time we get to the afternoon, this is Stormcast 12 o'clock Monday afternoon. You see a lot of these clouds starting to push off towards the south. This may be just a little bit too early. Ultimately, how warm we get tomorrow is a function of how fast these clouds clear out, and I do think for the second half of the day we will see a little bit more sunshine. This run of Stormcast shows completely clear skies by 4 o'clock. So for tonight, clouds by morning, but the majority of the overnight hours being mostly clear. 22 degrees, the forecast low, which is right on the nose for normal this time of year. 66 degrees on Monday, a little bit more clouds in the morning hours, but we should have some clearing by the evening. So yes, we are going to continue the warming trend going in for your Monday. Looking at high temperatures going in towards Tuesday, I think we've got a good shot at reaching the 70s. We're forecasting a high of 73 degrees. We'll stay in the 70s on Wednesday. So Tuesday is the start of meteorological spring, and it will certainly feel like it. But I mentioned right before the last break that our forecast is a tale of two patterns. Looking in the latter portion of the 10-day outlook, days 6 through 10, see a lot of blues here for our temperature outlook. Temperatures are going to have the chance to be below average going into that segment of the 10-day outlook. And as far as precipitation is concerned, we have the chance to actually see some precipitation as well. Here's the reason for that. Broadening out the view and looking at our upper air pattern, Monday through Wednesday, we've got a heat dome overspreading the region. But by the time we get towards the later parts of the work week, that heat dome is going to move off to the east, opening the door for a couple of disturbances to approach. Those disturbances will approach Friday night and into Saturday. Well, at least one of them will, and that'll push off to the east on Saturday, and then there's going to be another one to take its place going in towards Sunday. So we have an unsettled pattern going into the second portion of our 10-day outlook. So just to recap what we've just talked about, 66 for your Monday, a little bit of cloud cover in the morning, but clearing for the afternoon. But Tuesday, start of March 1st, we should be mostly clear. Temperatures in the 70s, remaining in the 70s on Wednesday, but I do think we'll have a slight hiccup for Thursday. Partly cloudy skies, 55 degrees, still above average for this time of year. Into the 60s on Friday yet again, but then we have the chance for a few late showers persisting into Saturday, and you'll notice temperatures do drop there. Right now, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of that following week, we are keeping things dry, but know that the pattern will be unsettled. We may have to make some adjustments. There is the chance that we may have to add precipitation later on down the road.